So this is the engine block we are going to use now for this project. As you can see, the surface of this one, see how smooth it is. See? Yeah. So, and then the cap. So this is the cap yet to be washed. As you can see. You can see that gap. You can see that gap. That's on that surface. And then I see this one here too. Oh, let me answer this one. This is the new cylinder. I actually don't have confidence on this new cylinder considering what happened to this new engine block, this refurbished one. Because this one, when we got the cylinder head, you see this mark here, it was signed, somebody pressed it, this note here, or printed it here, which is a sign that this thing had a problem. I think I've shown you, I've been showing it to you guys before. So eventually it was the valve guide that got bad. So it was fixed, but I just don't have confidence anymore. So the first is the seller. So he has asked us to return this. He's sending another new cylinder head. So that's the situation now. So we're going to dismantle everything, wash it, and then send it back to him. And that will be later anyway. So I'm expecting the new one to send it very soon, so I can use it to couple this up. The worst scenario, we use the old cylinder head, the SM1A. The SM1, this is SM1A, but I'm talking about the SM1. Alright, so get back to here. So that's the automatic transmission and gear return. Alright. Yeah, so what you are looking at is a new SM1A cylinder head. What happened was we just didn't trust the other cylinder, new cylinder sent to us, because there was a repair that was done on it. So kind of lost confidence on that, and the repair was done on the cylinder form here. No, here they marked this place. When I saw it, it's as if to show there was actually a problem. Of course, you can see the cylinders are numbered. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So what happened was the valve guard was bad. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at it here. Let me touch it. See, this is the valve guard. So it was bad, which is basically this. So it has to be, but it was the exhaust on this one. So this is it. That's bad. So it has to be replaced. So the seller now decided to send another one. So, and this is it. So looks new. The only thing I don't understand is always have this mark as if that has been used here. Mark for the pipe, unless maybe this is a factory way of, I don't know. They have this squash here, just like the other one. But maybe it's new, who knows? It looks new. There's no reason to say it's not new, except this squash here. You can see it. There's a pipe that goes inside where the spark plug, because this is spark plug chamber. So, but like I said, nothing on this to show that this is used, if not for this squash. Maybe that's how they come. So anyway, for those who don't know, remember the water pump is towards the fan. radiator. So you can see this how it sits. 1, 2, 3. So for those who always confuse Peugeot cylinder numbering system with other brands, you can see this is the gearbox side. So that's why I have that number where it's supposed to be. So it's not up to the owner, because at a point we decided to put the SN1 cylinder, the old one. So if he wants to use this one, then we'll go ahead. We'll see. So it's something I have to discuss with him, and then we'll see. Alright, so I found the Peugeot part number on it. You can see 0200 0 something. Ooh, something affected here. No, C something. It's not 0. That you won't be able to know which number it is. So anyway, so I think it's most likely new. That is not refurbished. Okay, so alright. So yeah, the engine has started. So you can see it's running, and the constantly is not running on the dollar converter. Alright, when you have a $20 converter. So this is like the second engine, because the different engine just the different cylinder head. So the first test, and what you know now is just finishing testing, and the car will be good to go. Alright, so like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch out for more videos, more car restoration, and more...
Don't forget yourself.
Don't forget yourself.